Do you want to give your project that professional look? Today, we're talking about burnishing your leather edges. Stay tuned. Hi there, my name's Steve Lutz and welcome to the Road to Pro. Today we're talking about burnishing your leather edge. There's a couple benefits to burnishing your edging. One, makes it look real good. And two, keeps the elements out. It's going to keep your project looking great for years to come. So let's get to it. Well, here are some basic tools for finishing your edges out. We've got slickers, different styles, some canvas, some sandpaper, an edger, and of course your leather. So this is some English bridle that I have from a past project that I just finished up on. And the first thing you want to do, what I like to do, is just take some sandpaper. Now this is 220 grit. Just lightly hit the edge. Just try to get any fuzzies off. Smooth that out a little bit. And you'll know it, it'll smooth out. It'll be nice and smooth to the touch. Then we want to take an edger. Now this is from Weaver. Weaver sells this. It's an inexpensive edging and it comes with I think four or five different sizes. Really good if you're on a budget, and I use them all the time. So go ahead and edge your leather out. That'll give you a nice round edge. Next, I take about a 400 grit and I smooth that out a little more. It don't take much. Look at that. Now you already have a nice smooth edge. Now there's several ways of doing this. You could add some water to it, burnish with water. A lot of people do. I prefer to do that on the first round of vegetable tanned leather. But using this English bridle, it has so many oils and tallows in it that the water don't really seep in so good. So what I use is a product called Tokonol. And man, the first time I bought this stuff, I couldn't believe how well it worked. It don't take a whole lot. Just take a little dab on your finger. It don't take a lot. And just run it right down the edge of your leather. Working it in there a little bit. And you want to be careful not to get it on the face of your project, because on some leathers it will discolor a little bit. And then we'll take our round slicker, and I'm going to use the last hole down here. You want friction. You don't want pressure. Friction and heat's going to be your friend for burnishing these edges over. And just work it down, and you'll see this. It'll start to get shiny, and it'll start getting real slick. Now we've just done this a little bit. Hopefully you're going to be able to see this. And that's just a few seconds. You know, it don't take long. And I really like the shine that this Tokonol gives your edgings. And eventually you're going to start hearing a little squeak out of your leather. And I know it's real hard to hear on camera, but you'll hear it. Now that's nice. Nice and shiny. And it's smooth. Now you can take a little beeswax, go ahead and run that over and re-burnish it, and that'll seal it up even further. After I'm done with the round burnisher, I just take a piece of canvas and I just hit it with a piece of canvas. There we go. Now I really like that edge. That's a nice professional looking edge, and it'll be consistent throughout your project. So that's how I finish all my edges, with a little bit of Tokonol. It's quick, easy, and you get professional looking results in a matter of seconds. So if you like this video, you like this content, hit the little like button down here. Maybe hit the subscribe button if you want to see more. I'm Steve Lutz. I'm with Lutz's Leathercraft, and this was the Road to Pro.